Hello and welcome to Mechanology. Today we will discuss things with air. Basically air pressure. We will take a glass, a card and some water. So I am pouring some water in the glass. I am trying to make it up to the brim. I am taking a card, putting it on top of it. Very quickly I am reversing it. So now water's weight is there and air's pressure is there. Let's see who is greater. You see, air pressure hold the water. So you can see the water, it's not falling down because air pressure is holding it. The moment we release it, it falls. We not even realize we use air pressure in many forms. Just see, when we take a cold drinks and drink with straw, we suck air in and the drinks is going up in our mouth automatically. We thought it's natural. No. There is air pressure which is making it done. We suck air in and so air pressure pushing it so that drink comes inside the mouth. We also use many things such as flask and other things. Even when I do not have water in my tank, I asked a neighbor and neighbor's tank was filled with water. He said, "Oh yes, why not you take some?" So I gone up, used a pipe and siphon the thing to my tank, some water. How we do it? Very simple. We just taking here two glass beaker in two different height. So one say higher height, one say lower height. Now we are using the pipe, one pipe up there, one pipe down here. So here inside this pipe, what is there? Don't say nothing, it's air inside. Now just to make it a little colorful, just to make it recognize nicely, I am using some color. So that it can be easily visible. Now, so here is a pipe. We can use any pipe. Inside this is air which I am sucking and then releasing it. Look here, water is coming. How? Air pressure. So air removed from here, air coming from the top to bottom. This will keep on coming until this remains inside the air. If we do the other way around, air is getting in. It all depends upon the height. Now height matters. So this siphon we use in many forms, such as inside the flask as well. We can have lot of fun with air pressure. Let's see one fun. Simple experiment. Just taking a small bottle. Any bottle will do, small, big, anything. But it should be airtight. And an incense stick. And surely something to make the fire. So incense stick works amazingly with plastic. So we got plastic bottle here. Near the bottom, I am making a small hole. So I am just taking incense stick, which is very hot. I am just touching the plastic and blowing it. It makes a small hole. Now, if we pour water, what will happen? If we pour water, water comes out. You can see water is coming out. But if we put the cap on, airtight, water stops coming. When we open the cap, water is coming. Why? So basically This is also due to air pressure. So air pressure outside is there, inside we have closed it, so it's not the whole column pressure, just this much pressure. So this is much less than outside. So outside air pressure presses it and the water stop coming. If we press this is extra pressure, then water comes. There are many such funny experiments of that one I am doing now. You need a bottle, preferably glass, which has mouth a little less than the dimension of egg. You need a boiled egg. I have opened up the shell. You need to remove the shell and you need some fire. So here I am just keeping some paper and I am burning the paper. When we burn the paper, when paper is sufficiently hot, I am putting it inside the bottle. And now look what is happening. So why this happened? You see, now it's not going. So when we heat this, hot air goes up, moves out, and so inside the bottle air is much less. At that time, if we put the soft egg without shell, that is boiled egg, then the air pressure from up there is much more than air inside, because the hot air gone out and this air is cooled down. So the air pressure from top is pushing it down. So there are many such experiments for air pressure. Of that one very funny experiment, for that you need gas burner or some way to heat up too much. So I have a gas here and a Bunsen burner, keeping the Bunsen burner here and the gas down there so that we can get good pressure. I'm switching on the gas. So we switch on fire. Here we are keeping a wire gauge on top of it. We are keeping a Coke can. So Coke can usually we throw away. I suggest you don't throw away. Keep a little water in case. And here in the fire we are putting the Coke can. So it will take some time. We have to wait for some time so that it become hot quite sufficiently. You can do with the gas burner in your cooking gas also. That will be much faster because the burner has lots of flame rather than only one flame. When we are waiting for this to become sufficiently hot, we are keeping this tray ready, very cold water. This water is from fridge. So we had a tray with very cold water and we had a can here which is heating up. It should heat sufficiently. We should wait the water to boil a lot. After 2-3 minutes we can see the water vapor is coming out. Along with water vapor, hot air goes up. Let's see what is happening. I'm just holding this here and changing the camera so that we can see what is happening. Now putting it upside down. Look what happened to the shape. Why this happened? So here when we heated the air with the little water gone up, so there was nearly no air left. This, as it has hole, when you do it slowly, then in this hole, from this hole air may rush in. That's why you have to do it upside down in water. And as the water is very cold, it quickly condenses the air. The air which was very hot now become quite cold. The moment air condenses, the volume of air reduces, same way pressure also reduces. But air pressure outside is so much that it gives pressure and it makes this deformed. It's amazing but simple experiment. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you are liking my Vigyanology channel. This is basically a teaching channel, but I am sure good students are picking up and doing it at home. If you are doing student or teacher, if you are doing hands-on activity the way I am showing, please comment. And if you have any problem, please, I am here to help you out. Thank you. Enjoy my video. Please subscribe and share with all your near and dear ones. Thank you.